Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to send Bitcoin from Bybit to another wallet. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you have to select your account by clicking on assets, and then you will come to this page and then just click on transfer, and now just follow these steps. So first of all, just access your account, navigate to assets or wallet section, send Bitcoin by clicking on Bitcoin in the list of your assets. Just select Bitcoin, and then you have to initiate the withdrawal process, and just click on the withdrawal button. It will initiate the withdrawal process, and once you have done that guys, you just have to enter the details, input the recipient wallet address and the amount of Bitcoin to transfer, then just confirm withdrawal, complete any security verification and confirm the transaction. And that's about it guys. This is how you do it. You can also check your history in the funding account by going to your funding account and clicking on history. You can select history and check if the withdrawal was successful. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.